Hello everyone! So wonderful to have you guys here today. Hope you're ready for these awesome designs. Let's jump right in.
Here's a step-by-step guide to get the perfect manicure. Step 1. Ensure to clean your nails and remove any previous polish with a cotton ball of nail remover. A nail drill is also an effective way to remove gel nail polish. Step 2. Clip nails if necessary. Then file gently, moving in one direction to get your tip square, round, or somewhere in between. If you have thin nails, hold the file flat to your nail and tilt it so you can file the nail slightly underneath and avoid over-filing. Finally, buff the tops and sides of your nails lightly with a nail buffer to create a smooth surface. Step 3. Prep your cuticles to help dissolve dead skin and soften the area. Then you can push back cuticles gently using a cuticle stick. You can easily get these on Amazon, along with cuticle oils that will help moisturize and soften the nail bed. Step 4. Exfoliate hands with a scrub that eliminates dead skin cells and replenishes moisture. Afterwards, wash hands and dry them thoroughly. Step 5. Apply a base coat to hydrate, protect nails, and prevent chipping. 2 coats will be fine for each nail, but wait 2 minutes between each coat. This also helps to lock in colors and keep them from staining your nails. Step 6. Now for the fun part. Apply your first and second coats of polish, making sure to get the brush all the way down to the cuticle and into the corners of your nail. Maximum coverage of the first coat makes the second coat a breeze. The key is to load just enough polish on the brush to cover the nail in one coat. Step 7. Add a top coat. A top coat adds shine and protects your nails from chipping.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Drop a like, subscribe if you're new. This has been fun. Catch you next time.